fucking video? All that for a fucking video?
You can't shut the door now. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Fuck you don't care. What the fuck is going on?
Get the snow out of
You do it!
Don't slip. Make sure you get it all.
Stop, bro! It's not even funny anymore.
Careful.
Big! I just put this sweatshirt on,
I didn't
dude.
think you were gonna actually fall in it again. I said careful. I gave you a warning.